Okay, this is 5.5 and we're going to talk about inequalities in a triangle. Look at the two triangles on the left. All this is saying is that the longest side is across from the largest angle and that the shortest side is across from the shortest angle. So if we label this triangle ABC, then we can put the sides in order of largest to least. So the largest side would be A to B, and then the next biggest side is B to C, then the smallest side is C to A. Now what we can do is look across from these sides and we can put the angles in order. So across from A to B is angle C, across from B to C is angle A, and across from C to A is angle B. So we know that the largest angle is C, the medium angle is A, and the smallest angle is B. Now, let me flip pages real fast, if I can, and get my notes back. All right. Now, not all lengths can make a triangle. If you look up here at the top, you can see that the red marks can act like a hinge, like a gate. So this one makes a triangle because the two lines meet here. But do you see, no matter how we hinge the middle one, these twos will never meet because they're too big for this 5. And this one almost makes a triangle, but if we put them both down, they meet, but then it's just a straight line. So let's look again at that first triangle. We have 4, 2, and 5. Notice that I can add the 4 and the 2 up to get 6, and 6 is greater than 5. This is what we need to make a triangle. Any two sides added together has to be bigger than the third side. So let's take some random numbers. Maybe 2, 4, and 6. Well, these three numbers make a triangle. Well, 2 plus 4 is 6, and that's not bigger than the third side 6. It has to be bigger. And we also know this can't work because 6 plus 4 is 10, and that is bigger than 2. So we're good there. But this 2 plus 4 stops us from making a whole triangle, because if we draw a line that's 6 long and then we draw a line that's 2 long and a line that's 4 long, you can see that it won't make a triangle because these are just too short to pop up to make the third angle. So let's look at something that will make a triangle. Let's say 5 and 7. No, that won't work either. 2, 5, 8. No, 2, 5, 6. All right. 2 plus 5 is 7, and that's bigger than 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, and that's bigger than 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, and that's bigger than 5. So these three numbers would make a triangle. All right, we're going to talk in the next video about side lengths. So let me save this one.